Hey everyone, it's Shakira. Welcome back to Glow Beauty Wellness here on YouTube. And in today's video, I have an arm workout and an ab workout. You will need some light weights and some sort of step towards the end if you want to do like just little cardio bursts that I added into the routine. So go ahead and grab some light weights and let's get started. So this is the warm up, and you can do this with or without the weights. I was using 5 pounds to start here, and I just want to get the body warm. And so we're lifting. Don't go any higher than your shoulder blade, and we're going to alternate and switch sides. So make sure you are engaging your core, so you're bringing your belly button to your spine, and your feet position will be based on your own back and how things feel. Make sure weight is in your heels, and you're going to want to control those weights even though we are warming up. Okay, so now we're getting into the workout. We are going to start with our light weights again, and we are going to keep our elbows close to our rib cage. So we're going to take those weights out to the side like a W, and then we're going to curl forward. You could do this standing if you like, but this is just sometimes how I like to train. Make sure your belly button is constantly engaged throughout this entire workout. Now, because this is my personal workout and I just decided to show you all what I do to keep my arms tight and toned, you will see me doing more reps on one arm than the other. That's because I like to even out and make sure my less dominant arm gets a little more repage. I just want to make sure my arms are even, basically, is what I'm trying to say. My right arm is a little more defined than my left, so feel free to just continue either following me or make sure you're doing what you need to do for your own arms and your specific needs as well.
Coming in, yeah, flex, I just wanna win, yeah, LABB who we running with, yeah, 2 2 3 3, I'm on 10 again, yeah, state your name, been dope on flame, I just switched the lanes, damn he did it again, I just flipped the pain.
So in this next move, you can do this with or without a weight. So this is arms and this is also abs. You will see my abs working. You will also see my arms. Of course, they're working because I'm holding the weight. Now, you want to be grounded and rooted into your mat. You don't want to rock up with your hips. So as you can see, you see a little bit of micro movement with my knees, but I'm grounded and rooted into the mat. So this is how you ensure that the proper part of the body is working.
I'm active. If he never heard of been dope, he just napped.
Similar to what we just did, only this time we're going to switch up our legs. So we are rowing as well, rowing to the right, and then we're rowing to the left and lifting the arm. So we're rowing right, coming up, and then left. If you have tailbone issues, you are not going to want to do this at all.
I just wanna win, yeah, LABB who we running with, yeah, 2 2 3 3, I'm on 10 again, okay, alright, coming in, yeah, flex, I just wanna win.
Okay, bottoms of the feet will touch, and we are going to use our abs to come all the way up and reach, and then we're going to use our abs to bring all the way back down. All too often do I see people just plopping onto the mat as they are doing sit-ups, and that is the absolute wrong answer. So be sure to move with intention with everything that we are doing today. So moving with intention is going to mean you're being mindful of the muscles that are working and you're not rushing through anything. So now we're going to go back to that row as we hinge back, but we're going to stay on one side for several reps and then we're going to switch sides. So here we are taking that left arm with a weight and we are going across our torso and we are punching that weight across towards the right. So ground that low back into your mat, and if at any point in time you need to drop the weight, make sure you do that. But bringing that belly button into spine and making sure we are fully engaged is going to keep your low back protected and will ensure that you're doing the move the right way. If you don't want to use a weight, you can put the hands behind your head and simply do a crunch across the body. Okay, with this next move, again, ground that low back into the mat, and we're just doing little micro movements up and up and up and up, working that low abdominal region. And now we're just going to reach through in between your legs here. So I like to alternate things just to keep the workout fun and interesting. If this starts to hurt your neck, go ahead and release the weight and put the hands behind your head. Moving right along, so we're extending the left leg and then we are going to tuck and crunch, and we're extending the arms above the head, and we are taking that weight and sending it in between that bent leg. So slow this down if you need to, or rewind it to make sure you're doing things properly. And we're going to stay on the left leg. Well, we stayed on the left leg for the whole 20 seconds, and now we're going to do the right. So again, extend and then tuck, extend and then tuck. I need those shoulder blades up off of the mat. Don't cheat yourself here. Okay, so we're dropping the weight for this one. We're going to extend our legs and we're crossing right ankle over left for the first 10 seconds. We are bringing our hips up off of the mat and we are rotating the body right and then left. And now I'm switching the left ankle to go on top of the right. So again, make sure you rewind this to make sure you're doing things properly. And our next move is going to consist of bringing our weight above the head and crossing the ankles, and just simply taking our time as we crunch up and down. Switching those ankles as we do this. Feel every muscle with each rep.
Like AD24, no sleep, need more. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up.
Alright, crossing the left ankle over the right. Doesn't really matter which one is crossed over the other. This is all about the obliques. Little micro move, but if you are doing this how you should, slow, controlled, and engaged, you will start to burn.
10 to 80, my savings. Take to the top on the baseline. New car, race on. Fast lane, pace on. With the booyah, that's a flex. Not human, I am from another planet. I'ma teleport, might vanish. I'ma wake up.
Let's hit some more arms before we finish up our workout. So we're just going to be doing skull crushers here. You're going to want those weights right next to each other, and you're simply bending at the elbow and then extending. You're going to want to feel this in your triceps, and you will also feel this in your core, so make sure that lower back is engaged. And if you need to slow it down, you can, but for me, It's all about the high reps so that I keep my arms toned and that I don't add bulk. All right, moving forward with tree huggers. So we're opening and closing, and we will also be stopping in the middle of our move and stay right center. We're not going to be going all the way down towards the floor or all the way up towards the sky. We're going to stay in the center of the move. This is going to really burn, and it's going to challenge your mind and body connection. And right now we're actually going for reps. We are not doing Tabata style on this, so we're doing about 20 to 30 reps. So hang in there. So guess what? So I lied. We are not done just yet with the arms or the abs. We're going to get off the floor here in a second, but you have seen these moves before. We're simply repeating what we've already done. So this is going to make sure you are super sore tomorrow if you're doing this right. Sore, not injured. So I'm going to stop talking after this. Make sure you keep your mind and your body connected. Move with intention. And I will see you when it's time for our cardio portion.
See the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the buffs. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex on. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shady, my bros raw. No breaks, we go, 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 go. Throw shade, that's a no, no, no. Go high, go low, low, low. Like spinning in a 644. Cash money like 504. Ball like AD24. No sleep, need more. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bucks. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bucks. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I'm a real one, my day ones. Try speak up, can't say none. Try dig dirt, there ain't none. I make the money that save up. 10 to 80, my savings.
Okay, so I know that you've been working hard. I know you're tired, but I just need you for another 4 minutes and then we are done, unless you wanted to, repeat this workout. So for this, you're going to need a step, or you can also use a step stool if you're at home, and you could also just do this on the floor. I just want some quick legs with this move. We want this to be cardio, we want this to be hard, and I decided to keep in here the shots of me being tired and messing up, so that you see I'm human too. I'm not perfect. This is not about perfection. This is about making sure you take care of your health. So I'm going to shut up so you can concentrate, and I will see you on the other side of this workout. Thank you so much for pushing through with me today. I appreciate you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.